Just at the end of the night, under street lamp, bed face flame by the light, I'm going away.
Okay, so we might have found the issue with the bike. This small jet seems to be clogged, because I checked this other one and you can actually see through it, but this one is pitch dark. You can't see anything through it. So, and that's the one we're struggling with. Hopefully that's just our only issue, because the rest of the engine looks very nice. So this has to be the only solution, that it's not firing, that it's not getting fuel because it's clogged. Hopefully that can be the issue. If it's that easy, then I'm very happy. That's very good news for us, because hopefully this was the only problem we had for the misfire. So I'm really excited to just check a little few other things while I disassemble everything, and then I'm just gonna start rebuilding the engine, and then we can hopefully, good news. So I look forward to actually see this bike back on the road again, if I can actually get the engine to work. Stay tuned and enjoy this project that I'm struggling with. Expose that.